Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a compatible Bluetooth USB dongle and ensuring your PC is updated. You need admin rights and a free USB port. Once done, plug the dongle into a rear USB port to avoid power loss. Make sure the device LED shows activity. Next, open Device Manager, press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and confirm a new unknown device or Bluetooth adapter appears. If it's listed, you're ready to load drivers. If not, try another port before proceeding. Now install the driver you downloaded. Run the installer as administrator and follow prompts, allowing any driver signing requests. Once installation completes, open Windows Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, and toggle Bluetooth on. Make sure Discovery is active so peripherals can see your PC. Use the vendor utility to update firmware if offered. Firmware fixes pairing quirks and range issues. Also verify Bluetooth support service is running in services. MSC. If stopped, set it to automatic. Pair your device by putting it into pairing mode, then click Add Device right arrow Bluetooth and select the peripheral. Follow on-screen PIN prompts if required. After pairing, test the intended function, stream audio, send a file, or use the input device, and set it as default in sound or device settings where applicable. If pairing fails, reinstall the driver, try a different USB port or a powered USB hub, and temporarily disable any onboard Bluetooth in BIOS or Device Manager. These steps usually resolve common connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.